Good morning. Good morning. Oh. This is currently Genji's favorite toy, and it has to just reek of him because he plays with it constantly, even if no one's playing with it. Like, if we just set it down. You know what? It really fascinates me about cats is they know they're on a string, and they look at the string, and a lot of times Genji especially will play with the string more than he'll play with the toy, but they don't care. And she's a lazy player. She will not like go after it unless it's like right in front of her. See? It's so funny because Genji and Lagatha will run like across the room to get it. But she just, no. She's like, I'm not getting up. There you go. So look, I mean, she's barely moved from her spot. Look at this sweet baby. I told you he loved this box. Uh-oh. Look at this. I don't know if you can see this. Can I zoom in? See these? These are all over my front patio, in the flower bed. Okay, calm down. I mean, they're everywhere. There's even one under the water bowl. That's what made me try to figure out what it was. And I don't want to mess with them in case like there's something good for nature. What is it? Okay, I figured it out. And it's actually kind of funny because I would have sworn I discovered a new species of caterpillar, but it has been so humid and rainy here that it's mold, or I don't know, a fungus that's growing on dry cat food. I guess a possum or something scattered some of the food last night, and that's what happened. And I should have guessed because there are mushrooms growing in all of my potted plants. See my hanging plant? Hold on. See? Oh, yeah, there's a mushroom. There's mushrooms all in my plant. See, do you see all the mushrooms that are growing? And I picked them out after a while. This has been happening for a couple weeks now. And these, see, all my plants have them. All the plants. Oh no, come on. Come on. Is it horrible, awful rain? Is it horrible, awful rain outside? Yeah. Did you come? At least you came early. Yeah, how's your face? How's your face? Is your hole looking better? It is looking better. Yeah. Can I see you? No. Okay. Okay. Will you eat your foodies? Just stay here out of the rain. Say good night. I'm going to sleep now.